Dear friends, Namaste. I am very much delighted to present our DG team and our cabinet 2021-22. We have a very seasoned line leader with us in our DG team. Line C. Venkat Narayan Reddy as our first Vice District Governor elect from Capra Gold, who will support us in two focus areas of global membership approach, that is new clubs extension, new members, that is membership growth. Apart from this, he has the additional assignments and duties as per the Section 2, Article 3, Bylaws, LA4, Standard District Constitution and Bylaws. A very young and dynamic leader, Line K. Harish Reddy, is with us in our DG team from Hyderabad Golden Jubilee as a second Vice District Governor elect to support me in two focus areas of global membership approach: member satisfaction and leadership support. Apart from his other assigned duties as per Section 3, Article 3, Bylaws, LA4, Standard District Constitution and Bylaws. Friends, I am very happy to announce that past District Governor Line A. Lingareddy Garu will be our Chief Advisor for the Linistic year 21-22. Apart from that, he will also support us as a mentor for the global cause environment, and he will also be the member for Long Range Planning Committee Vision 320C. Governance is very crucial for any organization. This year, our district governance will be ably supported by a strong 9-member micro team, starting with my guide, my philosopher, from the beginning of my Linistic career, a Lions Clubs International Leadership Medal awardee, past region chairperson, Line V. Harihar Subramanian, from my home club, Hyderabad Bhavana, to support the cause as District Cabinet Secretary. He will help me to deal with all my official communications and organize my schedules as District Governor. Highly professional and a financial analyst with vast knowledge and Lions Clubs International President's Medal awardee, past region chairperson, Line Mallikarjuna Sanne from Capra Kamalanagar, to support us as District Cabinet Treasurer. He takes care of our budgets, accounts and financial statements. Line Santosh Kumar Pokala, postgraduate in Public Administration, a past global membership team coordinator from Hyderabad Globarina, will be supporting us as Additional Cabinet Secretary. Line K. Ramarao, a past zone chairperson and a professional chartered accountant from a visionary club, Hyderabad Mirpet, will be supporting us as Additional Treasurer. Line K. Jaipal Reddy, young, budding leader and a sitting zone chairperson from my home club, Hyderabad Bhavana, will take the responsibility of propagating District Governor's program and effectively organizing district events. My mentor, who groomed me and supported me at all my difficult times, Line Amaravarapu Venkataramana Dattu from Hyderabad Kamalanagar Spandana, will support us as District Coordinator, Melvin Jones' birthday celebrations. Another good friend and a strategist for my election campaign, Lion Setti Naganna from Kapra Kamalanagar, will join hands as district coordinator, Lions Alert. A professional chartered accountant, past cabinet secretary, and a highly seasoned leader, Lion YV Bhanu Narayan Rao from Secunderabad Millennium, will take on the coordination of Long Range Planning Committee, LRPC, Vision 320C. The vision document so prepared shall give us a direction for implementing good practices of governance for a better 320C by 2025. A lovable person and a past cabinet secretary with his rich experience and thorough knowledge of Lions Clubs International Constitution and Bylaws, Lion B.V. Brahmaji Rao will bring in his expert subject combined with best practices as District Secretary, Constitution and best practices. Now, I move on to the backbone of all our goals and actions, the action team, global action team for 21-22. An FDI graduate, a recipient of Lions Clubs International Leadership Medal twice and also a Presidential Medal. A membership senior master key awardee, my soulmate, and a well-knowledgeable Lion of the district, past cabinet secretary, Lion Hemadri Rao Payeti from Hyderabad ECL Elite, will lead the global leadership team as district coordinator. Past cabinet treasurer, a recipient of Lions Clubs International Leadership Medal, and a dedicated Lion from Secunderabad Sitafal Mandi, Lion Brahmanapalli Ramarao, will take lead the global membership team as district coordinator. Past cabinet secretary, a recipient of LCI Leadership Medal twice, a soft-spoken and a committed Lion, and Lion N. Manohar Reddy from Gautam Nagar will lead global service team as district coordinator. Past zone chairperson and my well-wisher, Lion M.V. Subbarao from my home club, Hyderabad Bhavana, will lead LCIF team as district coordinator. A very active and a dedicated member in our district, Lion Vinayalata from Hayatnagar, will take on GMT family and women's specialist during the Lionistic year 21-22. Past region chairperson, Lion Manda Suresh Kumar from Kapra Esra Nagar, will be with us as a coordinator for GMA, Global Membership Approach Pilot Project. Everything in nature is made up of 5 basic elements: the earth, water, fire, air, and space. Keeping the significance of these 5 elements, resembling the power of the nature, let me present to you our 5 region chairpersons with their zone chairpersons for the Lionistic year. Prithvi region will be held or headed by Lion Vadde Nanda Srinivas Rao of Hyderabad ECL Elite as region chairperson, ably supported by Vadde Chaitanya of Hyderabad ECL Elite, G. Balachandar Gaud of Hyderabad Malkajgiri, GVS Ramaya Naidu of Secunderabad Sitafal Mandi, and Lion Manjula Devi of Kapra Mother Teresa as zone chairpersons for this year. Jal region will be headed by Lion P. Manoj Kumar of Secunderabad Gymkhana as region chairperson, supported by Lion A. Ravi Kumar of Secunderabad Gymkhana, line S. Ramatulsi of Hyderabad Sentinel Green City, and Miryala Chandra Mohan from Hayatanagar as joint chairpersons for this year. Surya region will be headed by a psychologist and a well-known motivator, line Gampa Nageshwar Rao of Secunderabad Paradise as region chairperson, supported by line Janapareddy Ravinder of Hyderabad Noble, line Advocate K. Parvati of Gautam Nagar, line S. Muralichari of Hyderabad Tirumal Nagar, and line P.N. Pani from Uppal Metro as joint chairpersons for this year. Pavan region will be headed by line A. Sukender Reddy of Hyderabad Mirpet. He is supported by line O. Muniratnam of Hyderabad Mirpet, line P. Vinod Kumar of Ibrahimpatnam, line Eppa Srinivas of Hyderabad Mirpet Sentinel as joint chairpersons for this year. Akash region will be headed by line B. Harinath Rao of Hyderabad Neredmet, supported by line Vamsi Krishna of Hyderabad Vasantapuri, line Rajeshwari Vadlamani of Hyderabad Sankalp, and line P. Shankar Reddy of Hyderabad Kamlanagar Spandana as joint chairpersons for this year. Let me move on to my core team. They are my strength in making this year a vibrant year with their sincere involvement in their specialized areas of expertise. Starting with Post Region Chairperson, line VSN Raju of Hyderabad Globe Arena as District Secretary, PDGs honoring. PRC, line Kotta Ramarao of Hyderabad Kushaiguda as District Secretary, Eyeball Collection. Post Region Chairperson, line Dayakar Reddy of LB Nagar, District Secretary, Hunger Relief. Line Shakil Ahmad, Hyderabad Malkajgiri as District Secretary, Public Relations and Lines Information. We call it as Marketing and Communication. Post Region Chairperson, line Valluripalli Srinivas Rao of Hyderabad Kushaiguda as District Secretary, Image Building. Line C. Ramachandra of Hyderabad Mirpet, District Secretary, Teachers Honoring. Post Region Chairperson, D. Lingareddy, Swati Lingareddy of Hayatanagar as District Secretary, DG Honoring. Line Vemula Venkatesh of Hyderabad Malkajgiri Central as District Secretary, Permanent Projects. Sitting Global Service Team Coordinator, line K. Inna Reddy of Hyderabad Neredmet as District Secretary, Past District Governors Birthday Events. Past Region Chairperson, line S. Anjareddy of Hyderabad Mirpet as District Secretary, DG Official Visits. Past Region Chairperson, line Ashok Kumar Swain of Hyderabad Noble as District Secretary, District Social. Past District Cabinet Secretary, line Jain Singhi of Secunderabad Paradise as District Secretary, Chief Editor, District Newsletters and Cancer Awareness. Past Region Chairperson, line N. Rupa Reddy from Lions Club of Hyderabad Kamlanagar Spurti will be with us as President, Secretary, Treasurers Forum, PST Forum. Line P. Raghubabu of Hyderabad ECL Elite as District Secretary, Melvin Jones Fellow Honoring. Past Region Chairperson, line Ashok Kumar Jekozu of Hapsiguda as District Secretary, Human Rights. Past Region Chairperson, line GV Swami of Hapsiguda as District Secretary, Environment. Past Region Chairperson Lion Jupelli Venkateshwar Rao of Raganaguda as District Secretary, Food Security. Lion DJ Ravi Kumar of Uppal Metro as District Secretary, Corporate Affairs. Past Region Chairperson Lion M. Radhakrishna of Tarnaka as District Secretary, Organ and Body Donation. A leading medical practitioner, a leader from Indian Medical Association, Telangana Chapter. Past District Cabinet Secretary, Lion Dr. Gattu Srinivasudu of LC Hayat Nagar, to support us as District Secretary, Diabetes Awareness and Action. Lion P. Shankar of Hayat Nagar, District Secretary, National and International Twinning Activity. Lion KV Ramesh Raju of Ibrahim Patnam as District Secretary, Blood Donation in Division 1. Lion Lohit Reddy of Hyderabad Mirpet as District Secretary, Vijay Agnam. Lion Mallesham Kare of Nagaram Savitribai Pule as District Secretary, School Adoption and Ethical Learning. Lion G. Purushottam Reddy of Secunderabad Sitafal Mandi as District Secretary, Club Services and Government Funds and Grants. Lion Gandu Ravi Kumar of Kapra A.S. Rao Nagar as District Secretary, Blood Donation in Division 2. Lion Kantamaneni Shivashankar Rao of Hyderabad Bhavana as District Secretary, Mega Marathon. Lion Lata Madhuri of Kamalanagar Spurti as District Secretary, Information Technology, My LCI and My Lion. Lion Kamalakar Mushyala of Secunderabad Paradise as District Secretary, District Administration Support. Lion Sheikh Syed Ahmad of Hyderabad Neradmet as District Secretary, Lions Quest Program. Past Region Chairperson Lion T. Sachareddy of Hyderabad Mirpet as District Secretary, Leo Clubs. A past Region Chairperson, CEO of Unified Council, an organization working for measuring the learning and also promoting self-learning. Lion Srinivas Kalluri of Secunderabad Paradise will join us as District Secretary, Schools Initiatives. Lion K. Hanumantrao Mudraj of Gautam Nagar as District Secretary, Contest Rules. Past Region Chairperson Lion V.V. Subbarao of Hyderabad ECIL Elite as District Secretary, Marketing and Communication and Lion Sports. Past Region Chairperson V. Krishna Prasad of Hyderabad Mirpet as District Secretary, Mega Service Events. Lion K. Srinivas Rao of Hyderabad Capra Gold as District Secretary, Scrapbook. Let's all welcome these leaders in action for 21-22, and I wish that you all will support this team with your kind cooperation, which will take our district together into the greater heights. I also thank all my team members for their kind acceptance to be a part of my cabinet during the Lionistic year 21-22. Thank you.